audience across the entire world to like bring that to life, man. It's incredibly touching. I spend a lot of time up here talking, but this time it shouldn't be me. It should be the filmmakers. So welcome back to the stage, Ryan and Chris. Come on.
So not to rip someone off, but this kind of makes up for all the girls that said I had a small dick in high school. And I really do hope that you have questions. So do you want to say anything to open us up, Ryan?
Well, I guess we have a lot of people too that were in the film. If you worked on the film, please stand up so we can recognize you and give a round of applause if you worked on shooting Clerks. All the producers, all the cast, please give it up. Please worked so hard. And then we'd also like to bring up some of the cast as well. I'm going to say your names. You don't want to come up. You don't have to come up, but if you come up, it'd be great. So first off, we definitely we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Mr. Smodcastle himself, Ernie O'Donnell. Where you at, Ernie? Right, of course you come. Sergeant's man. We're also going to bring up Don Smith for us in the film, Scott Schiaffo, the Chuli's gum guy from Clerks 1 and 3. Next, we're going to bring up the man with whom none of us would be here without, the legendary Bob Hawke. This way. Okay. Next up, we're going to bring another a big player in this. I'd like to recognize one and then bring, I believe another one's coming up. Joe Bagnall and Donna Jean of the First Avenue Playhouse. And Clerks and Clerks 3 as well. If you want to come up, come on down. We'd love to have you part of the Q&A. Next up, we're going to bring up dental school renter and our nun in the film, Betsy Broussard. Come on down. Price is right. You don't have to if you don't want to. And let's see. We have our roofer from Clerks. It's going to be Thomas Burke, the original Clerks, Clerks 3. And we're going to bring up his alter ego, our Thomas Burke, Bern Cohen. Everybody give it up. He's not a narc. Next up, we're going to bring our Richard Linklater and, a lifesaver all throughout UCF Film School, our VFX supervisor, post supervisor, Dan Ballister. Come on down. Not only did he play Richard Linklater in Slacker version, he also played Goatee Linklater director at film school in the dorm. Next up, we're going to bring our young Kevin Smith, Chris Gabriel. Come on down. He's not going to let me bring him up, but let's give a round of applause for Johnny Williams.